Hello and welcome to Enthusiast Auto House and our 1984 Land Rover Defender 90 200 TDI. It shows just over 128,000 miles. It has a clean title, clean CarFax. It's a 5-speed manual. It's a great looking Conniston Green over a dark gray interior. Seats are in good shape. Steering wheel is aged. It has the rear jump seats. Gauges all work. It has heat. It has vents. It does need a radio. Handbrake works. Again, 5-speed manual. It's the 200 TDI, so it's a 2.5 liter inline 4 turbo diesel. And it's swift enough to get to 60 reasonably, and you can do 70 if you need to. It has a sweet aftermarket exo-cage across the top and the spare tire carrier in the back. There's somewhere around $20,000 worth of receipts for all the miscellaneous work that's been done since it was imported several years back. All around, a nice example for a great price. Our 1984 Land Rover Defender 90 200 TDI.